Hey friends, a lot of users have complained that their USB keyboard is not recognized in Windows. Now here's the thing. Although it is there, but there are a few USB keyboards which have a power switch. So if your keyboard has that option, then please check that and try pressing the caps lock and num lock once or twice to check if anything lights up or if anything happens. If not, then proceed to the next solution to update the driver. So search for device manager and open the device manager. Immediately expand the list for keyboard drivers and then right click and update the driver for all of the keyboard drivers. Now you do not know which one is the internal one for the laptop and which one is the external one. So just update all of them to be on the safer side. Okay. If your keyboard is not connected at all, then the drivers will not appear in that case. And to resolve that, just unplug and replug it. And obviously try checking it over a different computer whether the issue is with the keyboard or with your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.